This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Then support it with the prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Pry off the wheel trim caps. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Work on one brake assembly at a time, using the assembled brake for reference if necessary. Push the caliper piston back into its bore to provide room for new brake pads. A C-clamp can be used to accomplish this. As this is done, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise, so make sure that it doesn't overflow. If necessary, use a syringe or suction gun to remove the needed brake fluid. Do not reuse the old brake fluid upon refilling. Use only new brake fluid of the specified type. Before disassembling the brake, wash it thoroughly with brake system cleaner and allow it to dry. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly to catch the residue. Do not use compressed air to blow off brake dust. Remove the caliper lowering mounting bolt. Then pivot the caliper up and secure it in that position with a piece of wire. Remove the inner brake pad. Then remove the outer brake pad. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips. Pull the caliper upper guide pin out of the mounting bracket and clean it. Then lubricate it with high temperature brake grease. Repeat this step for the lower guide pin. Install the upper and lower pad retaining clips. Install the inner brake pad and backing plate, making sure that the wear indicator is positioned correctly. Install the outer brake pad, noting the correct position of the wear indicator. Swing the caliper down over the pads. Install the lower caliper mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Repeat the above procedure on the remaining front brake caliper. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps, applying firm pressure to secure them in place. Check the brake fluid level if necessary. Add the specified type of new brake fluid to bring the level up to the maximum mark.